Okay guys, so this is the end result. So this is like the next day after the hair has been dried out and everything. So oh my gosh, it just looks so weird. Like why would I even want to wear this? Like, look at the curls, guys. Look at the curls. Oh my gosh, they look so weird. Oh my goodness. Anyways, it was something I wanted to try out. I did it. So not all synthetic wigs can be boiled and restored, because look at this. This is not working. It's just not working. It's not good. I have to say, I wanted to try it. I tried. Let's see if it's gonna do anything. I doubt it very much, but okay. Let's try it. And some of this. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I don't know. It definitely has some definition. Like, you can see the curls, but at the same time, you can see that they are all messed up and everything. Like, geez, look at that. I mean, I don't know. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Zhara-Jadore family. This is a family channel, of course. So I'm just gonna try to do as much as I can in this channel over here, because I am a busy lady. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video and everything. Do all the great stuff, comment, likes, and subscribe. Okay.